Good morning, everyone. I don't know if you can see it there, but it's currently 4:21 a.m. I've told this to some people before, but fun fact about me, I wake up very early on some days. And today's one of the days where I literally just wake up at this time at 4:20 in the morning. So I am up right now for the day. And I'm up not only just because this is my normal routine, but I'm also up because we got a shit ton of alerts last night regarding that enhanced risk and the fact that I was near that 10% significant risk for tornadoes. It was a high risk down near the Mississippi River, but that was a whole nother story. Here, on the other hand, we made it to EAS 900, which is a big accomplishment. We are finally getting our EAS count up, road to 1,000. But this is a very special alert day because we haven't really had an actual overnight event. Usually they go into the morning, like around this time on February 20th. We were still getting a whole bunch of alerts, but that's not the case for this event. This one went from like 11, probably I'd say until 2 or 3 in the morning. So yeah, this was a real overnight event. I had my security camera over there hooked up to the recon, and there's going to be a clock in your vision there. There's going to be a clock right there, so just in case you want to know what time the alerts were caused, what time the alerts were issued, the clock is going to be right there so you can see it. Just as I do that because it's a little hard to see the text at the top right of the camera. So yeah, so the event went from April 2nd, 2025 to April 3rd, 2025. I know I may sound very extremely sleepy and groggy, but I'm just trying to be quiet. But without further ado, I'm sorry for this horrible intro. Let's get to the actual compilation. Enjoy. Has issued a tornado watch effective until 4 a.m. Thursday. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Morrow, Pickaway, and Union, and the waters of Lake Erie from the islands to Vermilion, Ohio. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
You're listening to NOAA Weather. All hazards. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Seneca County, Marion County, Wyandotte County, Northern Morrow County, Crawford County, Southeastern Hancock County until 12:30 a.m. At 11:48 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Forest to near Kenton to near West Liberty, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny size. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Marion, New Cyrus, Upper Sandusky, Forest, Prospect, New Washington, Bloomville, Chicago, Level, Morrill, Waldo, Chatfield, Marcel, Cary, Attica, Benton, Nevada, Caledonia, and Republic. Here is a special The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southern Preble County, Northwestern Greene County, Montgomery County, until 12:30 a.m. At 11:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Camden, northeast at 75 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Fort Lee, Oakwood, Morning Sun, Germantown, Dayton, Alexandria, Moraine, Wheatville, Muttville, Lake Lockingren, Woodland Hyde Park, Trotwood, Overlook Gage Motto, Farmersville, Camden, West Elton, and Fairhaven, Houston Wood State Park, Miamisburg, and Centerville. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 30 and 40. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 44 and 61. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Shelby County, Southwestern Champaign County, Preble County, Southeastern Darke County, Northwestern Clark County, Northern Montgomery County, Miami County. 12:45 a.m. At 12:07 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Eaton, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Gainsbourg, Vandalia, Englewood, Castown, Potsdam, West Milton, West Alexandria, Wheatville, Interstate 70 at U.S. Route 127, Muttville, New Carlisle, Dayton International Airport, New Hope, Piqua, Del 10, Arcanum, Lewisburg, Clayton, Troy, and Bill. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 3 and 2. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 5 and 84. Flood watch remains in effect from 2. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 a.m. and now includes the following county: Hocking, Ohio. Remember, a tornado watch means conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest weather information. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Logan County, northwestern Union County, Ohio, Hardin County, northeastern Auglaize County, until 1:50 a.m. At 12:22 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lakeview, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted in Dula, Huntsville, Rush, Sylvania, Huntersville, Ridgeway, Pfeiffer, Mount Victory, Big Springs, State Route 195 and State Route 200, Roundhead, Grant, Kenton, Silver Creek, Bell Center, Jumbo, Patterson, Waynesville, Walton, Blanchard, and Alger. You are listening to NOAA Weather, all hazard. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kenton County, Western Bracken County, Campbell County, Grant County, Owen County, Pendleton County, Eastern Gallatin County, Northeastern Butler County, Claremont County, Western Fayette County, Ohio, Eastern Hamilton County, Brown County, Warren County, Clinton County, Greene County, Western Highland County, and South Central Ohio, Southeastern Montgomery County, until 1:30 a.m. At 12:47 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Marymount, moving east at 70 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Franklin, New Richmond, Atwood, Bradford, Lumber Truck, New Palestine, Brack, Corwin, Morrisville, Cowan Lake State Park, Mulberry, Hunter, Wolcott, Claremont County Airport, Harmony, Long Ridge, California, Lenoxburg, and Knoxville. This includes the following interstates: 71 in Kentucky near mile marker 65, I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 60 and 65, I-75 in Kentucky between markers 143 and 167, I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 27 and 44. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Western Richland County, Marion County, Wyandotte County, Northern Morrow County, Crawford County, till 1:30 a.m. At 12:48 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Dunkirk to near La Rue to 6 miles northeast of Westfield, moving northeast at 70 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts, penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Marion, Bucyrus, Sandusky, Mount Gilead, Alien, Shelby, Ontario, Crestline, Cardington, Prospect, New Washington, Sycamore, Lemuel, Morrill, Waldo, Chatfield, Marcells, Benton, and Nevada. A tornado watch remains in effect. 5 in Ohio between mile markers 27 and 4. outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Greene County, Clark County, eastern Montgomery County, southwestern Madison, southeastern Miami County until 1:45 a.m. At 1 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Kettering, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Vandalia, Englewood, South Vienna, Selma, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, Old Town, Gladstone, Yellow Spring, South Charleston, Greene County Airport, Overlook Page Mono, Buck Creek State Park, Harmony, Clifton, Snyderville, Kettering, Beaver Creek, Field, and Plattsburgh. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between markers 28 and 68. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 44 and 64. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for north central Warren County, South Greene County, southeastern Montgomery County until 1:15 a.m. At 1:01 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Bethel, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Damage is likely. Locations impacted include New Jasper, Lytle, John Bryan's Park, Spring Valley, Wilberforce, 5 Points, Old Bellbrook, Cedarville, Greene County Airport, Trevine, Xenia, Centerville, State Route 38 and State Route 73, Jamestown, Yellow Spring, Springboro, and Beaver Creek. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report the weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. You are listening to NOAA. All which includes the following counties in Ohio: Muskingum and Perry. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a thunderstorm warning for western Franklin County, Ohio, northwestern Brown County, Fayette County, Ohio, Clinton County, northwestern Pickaway County, southeastern County, Highland County in south central Ohio, Madison County, northwestern Ross County in south central Ohio until 2 a.m. At 1:14 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Wilmington, moving northeast at 65 miles an hour. 70 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Paintersville, Interstate 71 at State Route 38, East Row, Rosemore, Samantha, Lees Creek, Madison Mill, Highland Holiday, Gladstone, Martinsville, Hilliard, Morrisville, New Holland, Highland County Airport, Orient, South Solon, Jasper Mills, Russell, Woodland, and The National Weather Service issued a severe thunderstorm watch, effective until 7 a.m. This watch reports Ryderville, Catawba, Pigeon, and Springfield. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 48 and 68. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for northern Brown County, southwestern Fayette County, Ohio, southeastern Clinton County, Highland County, and south central Ohio until 1:45 a.m. At 1:20 a.m., a tornado-producing storm was located near Lynchburg, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Radar shows tornado debris in the air. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Leesburg, New Vienna, East Monroe, Samantha, Lynchburg, St. Martin, Highland, and Martinsville. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report to social media when you can do so safely. A severe showers with a chance of thunderstorms. Some. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has a tornado warning for central Fayette County, Ohio, northeastern Clinton County, west central Pickaway County until 2 a.m. At 1:32 a.m., a severe storm capable of producing a tornado was located over Savannah, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indication. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobiles will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Deer Creek Lake, Staunton, State Route 200, U.S. Route 22, Madison Mills, New Holland, Washington Courthouse, Bloomingburg, Jasper Mills, Pancosburg, Sabina, and Williamsport. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for severe with heavy rainfall. Warmer with low. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Franklin County, Ohio, western Fairfield County, eastern Fayette County, Ohio, Tippecanoe County, southeastern Delaware County, western Licking County, eastern Highland County in south central Ohio, eastern Madison County, Ross County in south central Ohio until 2:30 a.m. At 1:40 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mount Sterling, moving northeast at 65 miles an hour. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source: indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Port Columbus Airport, East Ringgold, East Row, Johnstown, Gahanna, Austin, Lightopolis, Nottingstiff, Center Village, Madison Hills, Highland Holiday, Williamsport, Worthington, Hillsview, New Holland, Grandview Heights, Whitehall, Highland County Airport, Orient, and Clarksburg. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio, mile markers 79 and 122. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 77 and 121. Now here is the official National Service forecast for Central Ohio. Today, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Richland County, Ashland County, Morrow County, Northwest Holmes County, and northeastern Ohio, Knox County, until 2:30 a.m. At 1:48 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from miles northeast of Mount Gilead to near Delaware, moving northeast at 65 miles an hour. 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Ashland, Mount Vernon, Mount Gilead, Ontario, Lexington, Loudonville, Fredericktown, Gambier, Utica, Cardington, Belleville, Centerburg, Ashley, Dan, Hayesville, Hoke, Chesterville, Sparta, and Waterford. The tornado warning for northeastern Fayette County is canceled. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Rain 100%. The National Weather Service in Wilmington issued a tornado warning for South Central Pickaway County, North and Ross County in south central Ohio until 2:15 a.m. At 1:51 a.m., a thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles east of Greenfield, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Clarksburg, Austin, Frankfort, Pickaway County Airport, Andersonville, and South St. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at .gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do safely. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fairfield County, Hudson County, Lincoln, until 3 a.m. At 2:02 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Canal Winchester, moving northeast at 75 miles an hour. 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines. The impacted include U.S. Route 22 at State Route 159, Millersport, U.S. Route 62 at State Route 661, Brownsville, Utica, Clearport, Kirkersville, State Route 158 at State Route 200. 12 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over Pickerington, northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicate rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Edna, Pickerington, Beechwood Trail, Kirkersville, Granville South, Interstate 70 and State Route 37, Keeper, Granville, Keith, Buckeye, Pawcascawa, Renenberg, and York. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 100 129. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media, which you can do so safely. Now here is the official National Weather Report. The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Perry County, Western Morgan County, Northwestern County, Northwestern Athens County until 3 a.m. At 2:15 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Beechwood Trail 8 miles west of Lancaster to 6 miles south of Kingston, moving 75 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage, sighting, and trees. Locations impacted include Buckle, Perry State Forest, Glenford, Shawnee, New Straitsville, Burton State Park, Connellsville, Redfield, New Lexington, Malta, Thornville, Eaglehorn, Nelsonville, Junction City, Trimble, Hemlock, Gloucester, Crooksville, Somerset, and Corning. Now here is the official National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Western Guernsey County, Cushoning County, Muskingum County, Northwestern Carroll County, Tuscarawas County, Northwestern Melville County until 3 a.m. At 2:21 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending 8 miles northeast of Shakesville to 10 miles south of Lancaster, east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Tuscarawas, Cushoning, Fayetteville, New Guilford, Philo, Woodbridge, Stroudsburg, Barnhill, Frazeysburg, Chandlersville, Rural Vale, Pleasant Grove, Bridgeville, Little Rock State Park, Pleasant City, Cooperdale, Warsaw, North Saintsville, Janesville, and Port Washington. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Ohio near mile marker 140, in between mile markers 145 and 183. Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 39 and 94. The tornado over southwestern Licking County. indoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 a.m. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has a severe thunderstorm warning for Belmont County, Carroll County,